In front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Accounts and Sync. Then tap on this icon next to Google under Autofill Service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on the password that you wish to check out. Enter your screen lock. And last but not least, use this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!